Hey, so I'm back. So I have been using this phone now for a few days. Pretty happy with it. Battery life isn't too bad. Not the best, but it's pretty good. It's hard to get a real good test out of it because I'm just using it as sort of a test phone, so I'm not using it for everything that I do, unlike my day-to-day phone, so I can't give you a real accurate measure on the battery, but I'm sure you'll find loads of information out there on the battery and how long it's going to last in real day-to-day usage. With regards to the camera, very happy, really pleased. So I'll show you the some photos I've taken now. So you've got the Dr. Pepper can, the nicely bright selfie taken by a window. Then you've got the selfie taken here. Got a picture of the bear, and you've got the quick video of me here. So please have a look at that. So I'm just making a real quick video. There's the bear. I'm filming this for a change where I filmed the video. So Ozo audio enabled, whatever that means. Hopefully that's a good thing. And this is the rear facing camera, not the front facing camera, for reference. Thank you. So hopefully you'll agree with me that they are some stonking photos quality wise. As I always say in my videos, I don't do anything to the pictures, I don't edit them, I don't lighten them, I don't do anything. I don't enhance the audio, I don't do anything because I want you to get this as a straight out of the box feel. And you know, I don't really edit my pictures, to be honest. Sometimes use Snapseed and crop them and rotate them, that kind of thing, but as far as editing goes, I don't do any of that. Also to mention the video, again, it was taken inside, so I thought I'd give you a bit of a variation. Usually my videos are outside. I'm sure that's something I'll do in the future for the videos, but I think it's good to get a bit of differentiation and just see how phones do in different conditions. I imagine a lot of people, you know, they'd buy a phone like this, spend a couple of £100, and they'd want to film, I don't know, birthday parties, or they'd want to film things inside, which a lot of people do. So there you go, you've seen my video. One thing I would say is it made me look a little bit maybe tanned, a little bit red in the face, so the colour isn't quite there. Not the same as what you're going to see coming out of this camera now that's filming me. So if you're interested in it, check the link in the description. You can view the phone for yourself. You can see the kit I use, and yeah, I don't use much kit when I make these videos, but it's there to see. Check out my other videos, and please subscribe to the channel, it means a lot. And I will keep doing the videos if I keep getting the views. It's nice to try to interact with everybody that watches them and leaves comments and asks questions. So yeah, thank you very much. Peace out. Bye bye.